Hi, so today we got this American Airlines Boeing 777-323ER that is going from Los Angeles to Sydney. Its registration number is November 722 Alpha November and its flight time is 14 hours 9 minutes. This flight was taken on May 29, 2026 and the speed of the playback is 20x. It is now flying over the Pacific Ocean. Then it will pass over some islands of the continent of Australia. Then it will finally enter into Australia where it will land at Sydney airport. It has still not landed at Sydney airport. It has now landed at Sydney International Airport. So yeah, bye.